Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some friends from Denmark coming, so I'm going to make a local curry chicken for them to try. Only thing is I make a little bit of adjustment to the meat I use. This is actually 4 pieces of chicken thigh, but out of which 2 of it is actually deboned. Um, uh, my friend's wife, she can't really handle bones, so half of it is actually deboned, so easier for her to eat later. So I marinated with a little bit of fine salt just now, yeah. Then I will be adding in some potato as well, and this is what I'm going to do the curry paste. About 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Baba's curry powder, meat curry powder. Then I have 1 piece of 1 piece of cinnamon stick, star anise, 3 pieces, and then bay leaf, a piece of bay leaf. Then we have some minced ginger, garlic, and also shallot. And of course, we need some coconut milk. And you need water, of course. So we're going to start by making the curry paste. Give it a good amount of oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can saute the ginger, garlic, and also shallot. Then we put in the bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and also star anise. Oh, super fragrant right now. If you have curry leaf, this is the time you can put it in. Then I will tune down to the lowest fire as we are about to add in the mixed curry powders, because this thing can get burned quite easily. You can slowly raise the heat, yeah? You can see immediately it will absorb all your oil. So what you can do now, you can add in more vegetable oil. Now we can slowly raise the heat to medium-low. And you want to slowly saute this curry paste for at least about 3 to 5 minutes before we continue. Right, this after about 3 minutes. Then I'm going to put in the marinated chicken. I marinate with fine salt, yeah? And the potato. Now we can raise the heat. Let me double check the focus. All good. Now we are going to add in some hot water. And let's bring this to a boil before we continue. Once it started to boil, I'm going to give it some fine salt. So after adding the salt, I'm going to put in a bit of fine sugar here, just to balance the flavor. Then I'll close the lid, tune down to medium-low, and I'll cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. The potato I'm using this round actually can get cooked quite easily. 15 minutes. Right, this is after approximately 16, 17 minutes. I just want to check if the potato is fully cooked. Yep, potato is fully cooked right now. So one more thing need to add in. This is my diluted coconut milk. I always prefer the more watery version, yeah? Look at the emulsification effect. So now it's basically almost done. What you need now is just to use salt and sugar to adjust the taste. That's it. Right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye.